So guys, we're making chapatis, and as you can see, I had made a few. Then I thought, why not shoot something and help somebody out there? So I want to show you how you make out your rollers. So I'm trying to roll out this big dough, and trust me, it's a heavy one. So I think this is not enough. I think it's easier to work with it at that point. Put on some oil, spread your oil. Yeah, make sure it's spread to every piece, every corner I mean. Cut your dough into some slices. So I choose to do it, it seems diagonal because of the shape of my dough. It was not in a very good shape, but that doing it that way would help, so that I can deal with so many with a few. Then from there, trifold and roll it out in is this a spiral or this is what? What shape is this? I need to show some of my shapes. Yeah, place it there. As you can see, never mind the shape of the previous ones. They have taken quite some good time on that surface, please guys. So we come, do our second, do our third, our fourth. Oops. Cooking for my husband some delicious chapatis. Tunza bwana yako. Tunza bwana yako.